Sneaker world, we are back at it again, man. It's been 20 years since these motherfuckers came out, and they did not disappoint. You feel me? Motherfuckers are fly. Huh? So much has changed since 2006, man. I believe these came out in like August. And back then, I want to say I paid like $150 for them. You already know. The quality's better. Dope shoe. Such a good time to be a sneakerhead, man. Don't listen to these bozos online. Oh, they sitting. So fucking what? You should be happy your shoe is sitting. You feel what I'm saying? Especially one this fly. You feel me? The Black Carolinas, the University Blues, huh? Stop playing. If you don't think these dope, man, you smoking crack, bro. You on dope yourself if you don't think these dope. You feel me? Yeah, man, I don't know. I'm going to keep these in the stash until I figure out what I want to do with them. Did you buy? What's up? What y'all thoughts on them? Are you passing? What's happening?